Shown here is the battery box for the R50 Cooper, which is located under the hood. Pull the weather stripping off the top edge of the battery box cover as shown here, green arrow. Then press the two retaining clips on either side to release the cover, purple arrow. Once removed, the battery is directly below. Disconnect the battery by loosening the 10mm clamp on the negative terminal first, green arrow. Once loose, pull the terminal up and off of the battery. Next, loosen the 10mm clamp on the positive battery terminal, purple arrow. Lift the terminal up and off the battery. Remove the vent tube from the side of the battery, blue arrow. You should now be able to just pull the battery up and out of the battery box. Be careful, it is heavy. Installation is the reverse of removal. For the R53 Cooper S, the procedures are similar. However, the battery is located in the rear trunk under the carpeting. Remove the carpeting and pull the positive terminal cover off the battery, green arrow. When removing the battery from the Cooper S, be sure to remove the negative terminal first, green arrow, then the positive, purple arrow. Now remove the 10mm nut, yellow arrow, and the long 10mm Phillips head screw holding the battery clamp in place, blue arrow. Disconnect the battery vent tube, red arrow, and lift the battery out of the car. Again, use care, the battery is heavy. In this picture, you can see the battery tender wiring attached to the battery. All you need to do is remove the two 10mm nuts on the battery terminals and add the ring terminals underneath, green arrows. Just remember that red is positive and black is negative. Once the wiring is attached, you just need to plug the harness into the transformer, which plugs into the wall. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.